Explore the latest and greatest in tech with our countdown of the 15 must-have gadgets you can buy on Amazon in 2025. From innovative smart home devices that make home automation a breeze, to cool car accessories that will take your ride to the next level, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with the latest kitchen gadgets, or want to stay ahead of the curve with the newest tech trends, this video has everything you need to know. With a focus on the best smart home tech, automotive tech, and tech essentials, you'll be the first to know about the coolest gadgets and unique inventions of 2025. So what are you waiting for? Dive in to discover the top Amazon finds and must-have tech that will change your life. Number 1. LeafyPod. This revolutionizes indoor gardening with smart Wi-Fi connected planters and an AI-powered hub. Designed for plant enthusiasts and beginners alike, these planters monitor soil moisture, temperature, and light levels, providing real-time insights via a user-friendly mobile app. The AI-powered hub analyzes data, offering tailored recommendations for optimal plant care, from watering schedules to lighting adjustments. With sleek, minimalist designs, LeafyPod blends seamlessly into any home or office environment. Its automated reminders and alerts ensure plants thrive with minimal effort, fostering healthier and more vibrant greenery. Ideal for busy lifestyles, LeafyPod empowers users to grow herbs, flowers, or houseplants effortlessly. This innovative system combines technology and nature, making indoor gardening accessible and sustainable. Transform your space into a lush haven with LeafyPod's smart, eco-friendly approach. Number 2. MCON. The MCON redefines mobile gaming with its innovative magnetically attached, pocket-sized controller. Compact and lightweight, MCON seamlessly attaches to your smartphone using strong magnetic alignment, transforming it into a gaming powerhouse. Designed for portability, it fits easily into your pocket, making it perfect for gaming on the go. Equipped with responsive analog sticks, precision triggers, and customizable buttons, MCON delivers console-quality gameplay without compromising mobility. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable extended sessions, while Bluetooth connectivity offers lag-free performance. The controller supports Android and iOS devices, providing compatibility with popular gaming platforms and titles. With an impressive battery life and USB-C fast charging, MCON keeps up with your gaming needs. Whether you're battling in multiplayer arenas or enjoying immersive single-player adventures, MCON enhances your experience with precision and control. Level up your mobile gaming with MCON, the ultimate fusion of portability, functionality, and style. Number 3. Dreame Z30 Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Dreame Z30 Cordless Stick Vacuum combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. Powered by an advanced motor, it offers up to 200 AW of powerful suction, effortlessly tackling dirt, debris, and pet hair on any surface. The vacuum's HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier home. Lightweight and cordless, the Z30 provides unparalleled convenience, featuring a long-lasting battery that delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Its versatile design includes multiple attachments, making it perfect for carpets, hard floors, furniture, and tight corners. The LED display offers real-time updates on battery life and suction modes for enhanced control. With quiet operation and an easy-to-empty dustbin, the Dreame Z30 transforms everyday cleaning into a quick, efficient, and hassle-free task. Experience the future of home care with Dreame. Number 4. MIKO Mini AI Robot. The MIKO Mini AI Robot is an advanced, interactive companion designed to enhance learning, entertainment, and communication for children. Packed with artificial intelligence, MIKO Mini combines education and fun through engaging conversations, trivia, storytelling, and even dance moves. Its adaptive learning capabilities allow it to tailor interactions based on a child's preferences and progress. This compact robot features voice recognition, facial recognition, and secure internet connectivity to provide personalized responses while ensuring safety. Parents can monitor interactions through a dedicated app, giving them control over content and communication. With its ability to teach concepts like math, science, and languages in an enjoyable manner, MIKO Mini fosters creativity and curiosity. Perfect for children aged 5 and up, MIKO Mini bridges technology and companionship, making learning more accessible and enjoyable. Its playful design and robust functionality make it an excellent tool for modern educational experiences. Number 5. Beam 2. The Beam 2 Mini Dashcam is a compact and powerful device designed to enhance driving safety with its AI-powered smart features. Equipped with full HD recording and a wide-angle lens, the Beam 2 captures crystal-clear footage of the road, ensuring crucial details are always recorded. Its AI capabilities include lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and driver fatigue detection, helping to prevent accidents by keeping drivers alert and informed. The dashcam features seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to access footage in real time via a dedicated mobile app. With loop recording and a G sensor, the Beam 2 automatically saves important clips during sudden impacts or collisions. Compact and easy to install, it blends into any vehicle without obstructing the driver's view. Designed for safety and convenience, the Beam 2 Mini Dashcam is a must-have for modern drivers, offering peace of mind and advanced road monitoring. Number 6. 70mm 4K Dashcam. The 70mm 4K Dashcam A810-128G is a premium car camera system that delivers exceptional clarity and safety features. Featuring ultra-clear 4K resolution, the A810 captures fine details like license plates and road signs, ensuring reliable evidence in any driving situation. Its HDR technology enhances image quality in challenging lighting conditions, such as low light or glare. The included HDR rear camera provides comprehensive coverage, recording what happens behind the vehicle with equal clarity. With advanced AI motion detection, the dashcam identifies suspicious activities or movements around your car, offering added security even when parked. The device comes with 128GB storage, enabling extended recording times without frequent overwrites. Its user-friendly app connectivity ensures seamless access to live footage and video playback. Compact and easy to install, the 70mm 4K Dashcam A810 is a reliable and intelligent companion for safer and more secure driving experiences. Number 7. EcoFlow Power Hat. The EcoFlow Power Hat is an innovative wearable that combines solar charging technology with practical outdoor functionality. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it features integrated solar panels capable of fully charging a 4,000 mAh smartphone in approximately 3 to 4 hours. Weighing just 370 grams, the hat is crafted from passivated emitter and rear contact (PERC) monocrystalline silicon, offering a lightweight and comfortable experience. It includes both USB-A and USB-C ports located under the brim, allowing users to charge 2 devices simultaneously. The Power Hat is IP65, rated for water and dust resistance, making it suitable for various outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and beach outings. Its adjustable design ensures a snug fit, with 2 size options: medium-large, 56 to 58 centimeters, and large X large, 59 to 61 centimeters. Available for pre-order at $129, the EcoFlow Power Hat offers a convenient and eco-friendly solution for on-the-go device charging. Number 8. Ninja CREAMi. The Ninja CREAMi is a versatile ice cream maker that transforms frozen bases into a variety of desserts, including ice cream, sorbet, and milkshakes, with just the touch of a button. Its CREAMify technology ensures a smooth, creamy texture by finely shaving through frozen mixtures. Users can customize their treats by adding mix-ins like chocolate chips or nuts during the process. The device is user-friendly, with multiple preset programs tailored for different dessert types. It has gained popularity for its ability to create healthier, protein-rich frozen desserts at home, offering a cost-effective alternative to store-bought options. The Ninja CREAMi has been featured on Oprah's 2024 Favorite Things list, highlighting its versatility and ease of use. Its compact design makes it suitable for home kitchens, allowing users to enjoy a wide range of frozen treats tailored to their preferences. Number 9. Ooni Folding Table. The Ooni folding table is a versatile and practical accessory designed to complement Ooni pizza ovens and outdoor cooking setups. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it provides a stable surface for food preparation and cooking. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, making it ideal for outdoor gatherings, camping trips, or compact spaces. The table typically features hooks for hanging utensils, shelves for storing ingredients or tools, and lockable caster wheels for stability during use. Its ergonomic height ensures a comfortable cooking experience, whether you're rolling dough or assembling pizzas. Compatible with various Ooni pizza oven models, the table offers a seamless and organized cooking station. In addition to its functionality, the sleek design fits well with modern outdoor aesthetics. The Ooni folding table is a must-have for pizza enthusiasts looking to enhance their outdoor cooking experience with convenience and style. Number 10. Divoom TimeGate. The Divoom TimeGate is a sleek and innovative digital clock that combines functionality with artistic expression. Featuring a pixel art display, it offers users a unique way to showcase custom animations, notifications, and timekeeping. Its retro-inspired design, coupled with modern technology, makes it an attractive addition to any desk or room decor. This smart clock connects to a dedicated app, allowing users to personalize the display with vibrant pixel art, set alarms, and even receive social media or weather updates. Equipped with built-in speakers, it also doubles as a Bluetooth audio device for playing music or ambient sounds. The TimeGate is more than just a clock. It's a creative platform that encourages self-expression. Whether used as a functional timepiece, a digital art canvas, or a stylish tech gadget, the Divoom TimeGate offers endless customization and a touch of nostalgia, appealing to tech enthusiasts and art lovers alike. Number 11. Opula Coffee Table. The Opula Coffee Table is a stylish and functional centerpiece that enhances the aesthetics of any living space. Crafted with premium materials, it combines modern design with practicality, making it both visually appealing and durable. Its sleek lines and contemporary finish allow it to seamlessly integrate with various interior decor styles, from minimalist to luxurious. Designed with versatility in mind, the Opula Coffee Table often features innovative storage solutions, such as hidden compartments or shelves, to help declutter and organize living spaces. Its spacious tabletop provides ample room for beverages, books, or decorative items, making it a perfect companion for social gatherings or quiet evenings. Whether crafted from glass, wood, or metal, the Opula Coffee Table is built to last and maintain its elegance over time. Ideal for creating a focal point in your room, it combines form and function to elevate your home's ambience effortlessly. Number 12. Ember Travel Mug. The Ember Travel Mug 2 is a cutting-edge, temperature-controlled mug designed for those who enjoy hot beverages on the go. Using advanced technology, it allows users to set and maintain their preferred drink temperature, 120 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, via the Ember app or directly on the mug. The sleek, modern design includes a touch display for easy adjustments and a leak-proof lid, making it both functional and stylish. Constructed with durable stainless steel and a scratch-resistant ceramic coating, the mug keeps drinks warm for up to 3 hours on a single charge or all day when placed on its charging coaster. Its smart features include auto-sleep functionality and spill-resistant construction, ensuring convenience during travel. Whether you're commuting, working, or exploring, the Ember Travel Mug 2 is perfect for maintaining the ideal temperature of coffee, tea, or other beverages, enhancing your drinking experience. Number 13. CheerTok. The CheerTok is an innovative all-in-one pocket touchpad designed to enhance productivity and convenience across smart devices. Compact and lightweight, it functions as a portable mouse, touchpad, and remote control, making it an ideal companion for presentations, entertainment, and on-the-go work. With seamless compatibility for laptops, tablets, smartphones, and smart TVs, CheerTok offers versatility for a wide range of applications. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and gesture controls, it allows users to navigate, scroll, and switch between tasks effortlessly. CheerTok's intuitive design includes customizable shortcuts, enabling quick access to frequently used functions. It also features a laser pointer, making it perfect for business presentations or academic settings. The device boasts a sleek, minimalist aesthetic and fits easily in your pocket or bag. CheerTok revolutionizes the way you interact with your devices, providing unparalleled convenience, portability, and efficiency for both personal and professional use. Number 14. Huski Beer Cooler. The Huski Beer Cooler is a premium, innovative solution for keeping your beer cold for longer. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel and vacuum-insulated technology, it ensures your drink stays ice-cold, even on warm days. Designed to fit most standard-sized beer bottles and cans, the cooler's snug fit prevents condensation and maintains an optimal drinking temperature without the need for ice. Its ergonomic, portable design makes it ideal for outdoor activities like camping, picnics, and beach outings, as well as casual indoor use. The Huski Beer Cooler also features a non-slip base and easy grip design for added stability and comfort. Durable and reusable, it's an eco-friendly alternative to single-use coolers or koozies. Perfect for beer enthusiasts, the Huski Beer Cooler combines functionality, style, and sustainability to elevate your drinking experience, keeping every sip refreshingly cold. Number 15. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2, released in October 2024, is a feature-rich action camera priced at $399.99. It boasts 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, utilizing a 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with a 157-degree Leica Summit lens, and captures 50MP still photos. The camera features a 2.5-inch flip-up touchscreen for versatile shooting angles and improved user interface. Enhanced waterproofing allows submersion up to 39 feet, extendable to 197 feet with an optional dive case. The Ace Pro 2 introduces AI-powered pure video mode for superior low-light recording and includes a new wind guard for clearer audio during high-speed activities. Its larger 1,800 mAh battery supports up to 180 minutes of recording in 1080p at 24 frames per second, with fast charging capabilities reaching 80% in 18 minutes. These advancements position the Ace Pro 2 as a strong competitor in the action camera market. Number 16. Pawport Smart Pet Door. The Pawport Smart Pet Door enhances home security and pet autonomy by utilizing a lightweight, waterproof Bluetooth collar tag. When your pet approaches, the door detects the tag and opens automatically, allowing seamless entry and exit. Designed to retrofit existing pet door frames, Pawport installs in seconds, transforming traditional pet doors into smart, motorized access points. Constructed from solid steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, Pawport offers durability and weather resistance, safeguarding against pests and intruders. The companion app provides remote control, scheduling, and monitoring of pet activity, with voice assistant integration for added convenience. Additionally, customizable LED lighting enhances aesthetics, and the system supports multiple pets with individual access settings. Pawport is available in various sizes and finishes to complement different home decors. Number 17. K20 Plus Pro. SwitchBot unveiled the K20 Plus Pro, a versatile household robot, at CES 2025. This innovative device utilizes the Fusion platform, enabling it to perform multiple tasks such as vacuuming, delivering items, purifying air, cooling, and home monitoring. Equipped with LiDAR navigation, it ensures precise movement throughout the home. Users can control the K20 Plus Pro via the SwitchBot app or through voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. The platform includes power ports compatible with various devices, and future plans include adding a mechanical arm to enhance its functionality. The K20 Plus Pro is expected to be available in bundle kits by mid-2025. Additionally, SwitchBot introduced the S20 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop, featuring enhanced suction power and self-cleaning capabilities. The S20 Pro supports plumbing hookups for hands-free water refilling and can integrate with the SwitchBot evaporative humidifier. Both robots will support Matter over Wi-Fi for compatibility with smart home platforms. These advancements highlight SwitchBot's commitment to redefining smart living by offering multifunctional devices that cater to various household needs.